Alrighty. Hello, my name is Jacob Gill. I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I'm attending Knox Grammar School. I'm currently in year 11, my second last year of high school, before I go on to study at university. So the project that I'm presenting to you guys today is a project by the name of TurboQ. TurboQ is extremely fast and an extremely fast and an extremely lightweight quantum computer simulator that can simulate quantum circuits and quantum logic. TurboQ is written in C++ and x86 64-bit assembly, which allows TurboQ to have an extremely fast computation time. Currently, the program can simulate qubits on traditional hardware and apply logic gates to these qubits, such as the Hadamard gate. So I'll give the program a quick spin for you guys, and then I'll show you the repository, the Git repository that I have. So if you want to check out the code yourself, you're more than welcome to. Alright, so there's just a simple installs, a simple run script that I've written that will just run the program for us. Alright, there we go. So just assembled everything, and we are free to get started. So TurboQ has like a really simple syntax, command syntax. What Q brackets and then 2 does is it initiates 2 qubits in the circuit. If we go and press enter, it initializes 2 qubits in the quantum circuit. Then we can apply a Hadamard gate to the first qubit like this, and it will go and do that as well. I'll show you guys what is happening under the hood here. So this is just the code base. This should be called TurboQ. I just renamed it, so sorry about that, but it's still the same logic. Okay, so we have, like, all the functions here to initialize the quantum state. We have a call to the assembly file over here, which just does really like extremely fast computations. It's very lightweight as well, assembly is. And then we have functions for measuring qubit, and then applying a gate like this, like, I don't know, the Hadamard gate, C0, whatever. And we can see, yeah, so this is just the loop that we saw where it just asks users for input. I'm going to try and implement a function where you can load a file written in TurboQ programming language or whatever other language. I think maybe MiniQ was your guys's thing. Maybe I could work on implementing that. Yeah, MiniQ. Okay. Yeah, so maybe I could use that as a programming language, and you could just input a file that would automate all these commands that I was typing in here, sort of like a bash script. Can't type. Alright, there we go. Now if I also go back over here, you can see the repository. Just look up TurboQ, and it's got like a pretty straightforward explanation here, as you guys can see. 17% written in assembly. I'm going to try and write more of the code base in assembly to make that computation time even faster, and even smaller. Yeah, so, or even more lightweight as well. So yeah, this is the aim of this TurboQ project. It's really good for researchers, students, and really anyone that just wants to test and simulate what a quantum circuit is, how it may act. And it's really good because it's, as I said, it's really lightweight and really fast, so it can work on almost any system, no matter like the memory and whatever. And it allows for simulation of more qubits than your average simulator would have, because of how fast it is and how lightweight and compact it is. So yeah, that's a brief overview of my project. So yeah, hope you enjoy.